Hi, my name is Sharanya and I'm studying biomedical engineering in NUS. I've always wanted to do something meaningful, and what I find meaningful is like helping people, so I wanted to work in somewhere in the healthcare sector. But I'm particularly interested in research, so I want to do medical research, and I'm interested in regenerative medicine. Receiving this bursary supports me and helps me to manage my expenses while I'm juggling my studies.
My name's Veera Nayagi. I'm studying in Nyan Poly and I'm doing year 1 nursing. I plan on trying to do medicine and I want to pursue a degree in medicine. I would like to be an interventional cardiologist. I've had to buy my sets of scrubs for it and nursing shoes and a bunch of other things that are necessary for the diploma. So I will be able to use the bursary to cover those costs.
Hi everyone, I am Kiriti. I'm studying in NTU and studying EEE, Electrical Engineering. Educational expenses wise, it used to be okay, but recently my father went through like a healthcare scare. In that sense, financial difficulties are there. So the fund would help me offset all the expenses I incur in school personally, but on the side I still do more part-time works and all that to support my family.
My name is Aman. I'm from ITE East and I'm studying AI development. I want to take it upon myself to help fund my education through these bursaries and these programs to help me because it will ease financial burden on my family a lot.